Special Operations agents from the PNP Region 4A and Regional Intelligence Division foiled a skimming or fuel siphoning attempt. A notorious band of swipers in Lucena City, where they seized truck distribution tankers, propane cylinders, siphon hoses, and 16 million pesos in petroleum products. Our Rocky Lisigas tells us more.
Operatives from the Regional Special Operations Unit of the Police Regional Office 4A and the Regional Intelligence Division 4A caught this man in the act of allegedly stealing fuel from a compound in Barangay Silangang Mayaw, Lucena City, Quezon. Authorities said the suspects used pumps to siphon various petroleum products into smaller containers. They allegedly sold the stolen fuel at lower prices.
Well, meron tayong information na may grupo na nagsasagawa ng tinatawag na paihi ng illegal na petroleum products at patingaw ng mga liquefied petroleum gas. So, minanmanan ito ng mga tropa natin sa Regional Intelligence Division, ARSOG, at ginamitan din natin ito ng drone operation. At nakita natin yung compound magdamag at maghapon nilang binantayan bago nakita na may pumapasok nga ng mga tanker doon sa isang compound sa Lucena City. Pero ito ay nagmula sa Sariaya, Quezon.
According to the Philippine National Police or PNP, more than 16 million worth of petroleum products, LPG, and vehicles were seized during the operation. Among the items confiscated were 3 tanker trucks, 3 trucks carrying 10,000 liters of LPG and thousands of liters of diesel. Operatives also recovered nearly 300 LPG cylinders, chemicals, hydraulic hoses, diesel water pumps, and other equipment allegedly used in the illegal operation. 13 suspects were arrested during the raid.
Apparently, yan ay nanggaling doon sa depo ng Sariaya, Quezon. At ito ay kanilang ibinabagsak o hinahatid sa mga small players na nagbebenta ng mga petroleum products.
The suspects will face charges for violation of Presidential Decree No. 1865 or the Oil Pilferage Law and Republic Act No. 11592 or the LPG Industry Regulation Act. PNP Chief Police General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. has directed police units to further strengthen intelligence operations and law enforcement efforts against oil pilferage. Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.